Lockheed Martin F-35. It's an American family fighter jet. It's a single engine, it's a stealth jet, an all-weather stealth jet. It's also a multi-role combat aircraft. Very, 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 very fierce and fantastic. It's both superior in the air, and it also does strike missions. It's capable, of providing electronic warfare, intelligence. It does surveillance. It does reconnaissance. It's fantastic. The companies, the partners who joined to come up with an F-35 stealth jet include the Lockheed Martin being the main players in the production, the Northrop Grumman, the BAE Systems also took part. It has got 3 variants. We have a conventional takeoff and landing, short takeoff and vertical landing, and carrier-based. Cheap to buy, but not to fly. F-35 Gunman.